2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.